How to change phone number in Zoho Mail. Hi everyone, are you looking for a way to keep your account recovery option up to date, or maybe just want a new shiny SIM card? Then keeping your phone number current is a total pro move for account security. You can easily change your phone number on Zoho by following this step. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and in the URL box type in zoho.com and search. Once you end up in the official site for Zoho, make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are in, go to the top right corner and tap on your Zoho account's profile icon. Now click on My Account in the pop-up. After you get to this profile section, go ahead and click on the three horizontal menu buttons at the top left corner and then click on Mobile Numbers under Profile. Now, go ahead and tap on Add Mobile Number at the bottom and enter a new phone number you want to change to. After typing it down, click on Add. Soon after you click on Add, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code for your new phone number. Type in the code that you received via SMS and you will be able to change your phone number on Zoho. So that is the process on how you can change your phone number in Zoho. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.